Welcome to a quick guide on how to filter Instagram highlights from the past year, updated for 2026 so you can keep your feed fresh and relevant. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. You'll start on your home feed, but we're headed to your profile to get these highlights organized. Tap your profile icon, which is usually at the bottom right corner, to land on your personal page. Next, look to the top right and tap the three-line menu icon. This opens a compact panel with several options. From here, choose your activity. This section is your control center for all things you've created and shared on Instagram. Inside your activity, you'll see different categories. Tap Highlights. Under Content You Shared, this is where Instagram compiles the stories you've saved as highlights, making it easier to manage what appears on your profile. Now, you'll want to narrow things down by date. Tap the Filter by Date option. This tool lets you sift through your highlights based on the time you created or shared them, which is perfect for a year-long review. From the date filter, select Past Year. This will instantly pull up all your highlights from the last 12 months, giving you a curated view of your most recent stories that you chose to keep. With your past year's highlights displayed, you can review everything at a glance. If you find certain highlights you want to remove or reorganize, you can edit directly from here. For example, you can delete a section you no longer want visible or add a new cover to keep your profile visually consistent. If you're preparing content for a channel update or a new highlights reel, this filter makes it easy to pick the strongest moments from the year. It helps you spot recurring themes, events, or moments that resonated with your audience, so you can highlight them more effectively going forward. As a final tip, consider creating a yearly recap highlight once you're done sorting. It's a neat way to showcase the best moments of the year for new followers and longtime fans alike. And that's it. Your past year highlights are neatly filtered, organized, and ready to showcase on your profile.